Hello viewers, I'm Mridula and once again welcome back to Mridula's cookbook. Today's recipe that I'm going to show you is very healthy dates and ragi laddu made in 3 different ways. So let's get started. The first way of making this laddu is very simple. For this we need 100 grams or half cup of ragi flour, which is also called as natsni flour or finger millet flour. 300 grams or 2 cups of dates. These are dark and soft variety of dates I am using, which is very easily available in local stores. Dates will give the required amount of sweetness and will help bind all the other ingredients together. Next we need some dry nuts. I have taken 20 gram almonds, 20 gram cashew and 20 grams pistachios. You can use any nuts of your choice. You can also use dry fruits like strawberry, raisins, apricot or seeds like pumpkin seeds, melon seeds or flax seeds. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and 2 tablespoon ghee, also known as clarified butter. If you're vegan and want to make this dairy free, then you can replace ghee with coconut oil. First we need to take the seeds out from the dates and roughly chop all the dry nuts. Then in a grinding jar add pitted dates and coarsely grind this. Don't add any water into this while grinding. This is what it should look like. Next in a pan heat 1 tablespoon ghee on low flame. Add all the chopped dry nuts, almonds, cashew and pistachios. Saute these dry nuts on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes till they become little crisp. Keep stirring in between. Then take them out. In this same pan add 1 tablespoon ghee. Then add ragi flour. Saute this as well on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep on stirring. After around 4 minutes, you will get this nice aroma from this roasted ragi flour. Now lower the flame completely and add ghee roasted dry nuts, ground dates, and cardamom powder. Mix everything together very well. This mixture might look very dry at first, but just keep on mixing this. Take the ragi flour and keep on pressing it into the date paste. This is what it will look once it is mixed. Then switch off the flame and take this out in a plate. Don't wait for too long for this mixture to cool down. We need to roll laddus while this mixture is still warm. So apply little ghee on palm. Take little mixture and press it so that all the nuts stick together. Then roll them between palms to form a laddu. Our simple ragi and date laddu is ready. We can make lots of changes to this simple recipe, like the next one, that is chocolate ragi and date laddu. For this we need 400 grams or 2.5 cup of dates, 100 grams or half cup ragi flour, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. I have some dry nuts, that is cashew, almonds, walnuts. Again you can use any nuts, fruits or seeds of your choice. And 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. Heat a pan on medium flame. Add the dry nuts and roast them for 5 minutes by stirring in between. Then take them out in a grinding jar. Keep it aside to cool down and grind this into coarse powder. If you don't want to make powder like this, then roughly chop the nuts and roast them in little ghee, just like I did in my previous laddu. Take this out and in the same jar add pitted dates and coarsely grind them without adding any water. Next, in a pan, heat 1 tablespoon ghee. Add ragi flour and saute for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Then add ground roasted nuts and cocoa powder. Mix all these dry ingredients well. Then add ground dates. Mix everything very well. Take this out in a plate. Apply some ghee on palm. Take some mixture and roll them into laddus. Chocolate dates and ragi laddus are ready. The next variation is coconut ragi and date laddu. For this we need 400 grams or 2.5 cup of dates, 100 grams or half cup ragi flour, 1/4 cup desiccated coconut. I have some dry nuts, that is pistachio, almonds and cashew, and 2 tablespoon ghee. Heat a pan on very low flame. Then add desiccated coconut and dry roast it. We need to roast this till it turns little off-white in color. It won't take much time, so keep on stirring constantly or else it will burn. This is done, and take this out. Turn the flame on medium and add 1 tablespoon ghee. Then add chopped dry nuts. Saute them for 3 to 4 minutes. Take them out and add 1 tablespoon ghee. Add ragi flour and saute for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Now to this add desiccated coconut and nuts. Give a mix. And then add ground dates. Mix everything very well. Take them out in a plate and roll them to make laddus. I have some desiccated coconut. Coat each laddu with this desiccated coconut. So here we have 3 different ways of making dates and ragi laddu. You can store these laddus in a container. They will stay good for 2 months at room temperature. Do try this recipe and leave your feedback in the comments below. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and also please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.